Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple languages on your Shopify store. This is incredibly useful if you're looking to expand your business internationally or simply want to cater to customers who speak different languages, making your store more accessible and professional. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Shopify.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard, which is the main hub for managing your entire store. Now, take a look at the left side panel of your dashboard. You'll see various options for managing different aspects of your store. Click on Settings. This will open up a comprehensive menu where you can configure everything from payments to shipping and, most importantly, for us today, languages. In the Settings menu, scroll through the options until you find Languages. Click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all the language settings for your store, allowing you to reach a broader audience by offering your content in multiple languages. Once you're in the Languages section, look for the button that says Add a language and click it. This is where you'll start the process of expanding your store's linguistic capabilities. A new window will pop up, presenting you with a list of available languages that Shopify supports. Go ahead and select the language you want to add from the list. After selecting your desired language, click Next. You'll then be prompted to choose where you want to assign this new language. This could be for specific markets or regions depending on your business strategy. Make your selection and click Done to confirm. Now, you should see your newly added language appear in the Languages section. You'll notice a Translate button next to it. Click on Translate to begin the process of converting your store's content into the new language. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll be presented with two options for translating your website. The first is Auto Translate, which will automatically translate all your content, but this feature requires you to upgrade your Shopify plan. The second option is Manual Translation, where you translate each element yourself. For example, if you click on Collections, you can manually enter the translation for that section and then click Save. While manual translation gives you complete control over the accuracy and tone of your content, it can be quite time-consuming, especially if you have a large store with lots of products and pages. That's why I recommend using Auto Translate if your budget allows for it. It's much faster and ensures consistency across your entire store. And that's it. You've successfully set up multiple languages on your Shopify store, making it more accessible to a global audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.